Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video tutorial, I am going to show you the best website tool. Download YouTube videos online. First we start Google search in browser. Online YouTube video. Download a search. On page we will find many options for YouTube downloader. But I feel comfortable with this website. https://it1s.com. After opening this website, you will find such interface. Now we have to copy URL link of our interested video. Open YouTube. And copy the link of your interested video. Then we will come to our browser where we have already opened the website. Paste URL. And click on Convert. It will take few seconds to convert video. We will click on Download. Save it where you want to. And it will start. On left corner you will see the downloading the file, which we just downloaded, and I just clicked on it whether it's playing or not. You can see this video was playing. Now you can play your file. Thanks for watching.